Breakfast Tuesday. Scrambled eggs with tomato and spinach. Eating scrambled eggs with tomatoes and spinach for breakfast can have many nutritional and health benefits. Some of the advantages include high-quality protein. Eggs are a complete, high-quality source of protein, which is essential for maintaining and repairing muscle and tissue. Vitamins and minerals. Spinach and tomatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron, vitamin K, and folate. Weight control. Eggs are a satiating food, which can help control appetite and prevent cravings for unhealthy foods throughout the day. Improved cardiovascular health. Spinach contains folic acid and vitamin B6, which may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Improved eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that protect eye health and prevent age-related vision degeneration. In short, having scrambled eggs with tomatoes and spinach for breakfast can be a great way to start the day with balanced nutrition and provide essential protein, vitamins, and minerals for the whole day. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.